Why am I not being able to earn that respectonship such that my electrical officer also respects me? If I am getting stuck, there is one more person who is there to help me out. Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Well guys, finally the wait is over. Basic electrical package is being launched on merchantnavydecoded.com. Like you all guys have trusted Dreamer, Visionary, Achiever package, I believe you will bestow your love on the basic electrical package as well. So many people for last 1 year have been asking me, so when is the electrical package going to come and what all is going to be there? Well guys, before covering that, I want to ask each and every one of you who is a marine engineer, whether you are a trainee marine engineer, fourth engineer, third engineer, second engineer, or even a chief engineer, please watch this video till the end. If you are not a marine engineer right now, but you are a BTech marine engineering student, or you are a GME aspirant, or you are about to join ship for the first time as a marine engineer, please watch this video. This video is equally important for any person who is an electrical officer on board ship, whether preparing for COC or whether he has got 5 to 10 years of experience. If you are an ETO aspirant, this video is equally important for you. All in all, this video is important for all those people who are engineers, whether electrical officer engineer or a marine engineer working on board ship. Well guys, why this electrical package? Well guys, it's been 14 years of journey on board ship. I started as a TME, fourth engineer, third engineer, second engineer, then chief engineer. And I've seen this maritime community growing and a lot of challenges coming up, especially in the field of electrical, electronics. Definitely yes. Most of the times today when we face challenges in automation, we rest. Ki arey bhaiya, now electrical officer is going to come and solve the problem. And at times I used to feel embarrassed. Yaar, why am I not so good at PLCs? Why am I not so good at reading the circuit diagrams? Why am I not being an asset to the company? Why am I not being able to earn that respectonship such that my electrical officer also respects me? If I am getting stuck, there is one more person who is there to help me out. As an electrical officer, I've seen people struggling reading the circuit diagrams, and there at times I become angry. Why? Because bhai, this is your job, you ought to know that. I do not know that. I'm angry at myself, and if I am with a person who does not know his job, then we are gone on board ship, right? So as an electrical officer, you need to know your job. Reading circuit diagrams, how to read circuit diagrams, how to read automation, how to solve problems, troubleshooting, that's the most important job. And that is where earning respectonship happens. Not just that, all you people who are aspirants, whether you're going for ETO, COC exams, whether you're going for your BTech marine engineering exams, whether you're going for campus placement, simple questions come across from electricity, capacitance, resistance, what is the role of capacitance on board ship, what is VRMS, what is IRMS, then going up to alternators, induction motors, DC motors, it all started from here. If somebody asks me today, BL Thareja पढ़ के बता दोगे नहीं भाई मुझे नहीं आती. If somebody asks me today that's a transformer, what kind of losses are there, I will not be able to explain the eddy current losses or hysteresis losses from the very basics. And that is where this electrical package comes into play. In this electrical package, we started from atoms, electrons, then we went on to electricity, charge, Coulomb's law, then we went further to resistance, voltage, EMF, then we went further to role of resistance on board ship, capacitance, and what is its role on board ship? Where is capacitance used on board ship? It is used in oil water separator. But why? So that is where we make you think. Inductance, what is the use? How does a solenoid valve work? How does a tube light work? And where does inductance comes into play? Who made this package? Well guys, if I had to make this package would have taken another 2 to 3 years, because I had to work a lot on my basics, again formulate and then make this package. So we did not have time and we had to get the best in the industry. And that is where Chief Engineer Arvind Singh sir comes into play. He is 1 year my college junior guys, but one of the fastest becoming Chief Engineer in the entire industry. Number 1. Number 2, became a superintendent, gained experience over there, then taught at Anglo-Indian Maritime Academy for a few years. So if you ask me, he's 1 year junior to me in college, but in terms of experience, he has got double the experience that I have got. Very good knowledge, great orator skills, and we worked our sweat out to make this package worth it. Why you need to buy this package? Well guys, all the content that I am talking about, if you try to search here, there, anywhere, you will find it, maybe in form of e-handouts, maybe in form of videos, maybe in form of books, somewhere or the other, right? But why buy? Because guys, when you buy, you invest on your career. When you invest, you have an accountability. You become a part of an ecosystem which is being created by Merchant Navy Decoded, where you will be nudged, where you will be asked, where we will form a community to help each other. And when you stay in that community, where the single vision is to earn respect on ship, to find great shipping companies to work with, everything falls into place. Last but not the least, my personal experiences. I have struggled on board ship, starting as a TME, then becoming a fourth engineer to learn simple basics on board ship. Why? कोई बत्ती साहब सिखाते थे और कोई नहीं सिखाते थे. Right? It has been a struggling journey. As a second engineer, I used to feel embarrassed. Ki should I ask this stupid question to my electrical officer? And sometimes my electrical officers used to think, and sometimes we used to work with electrical officers, those who could not do their job well. And we had to, as a team, you cannot quit. Or you cannot say this guy does not know his job. We have to work together as a team. And at that time, I used to regret कि if I knew his job, if I knew my job as a leader, that is to help my teammates, we could have done a fabulous job. So guys, electrical ho, electronics ho, or whatsoever it is your domain to earn respect on ship. So start working hard. Let's grow together as a community. Jai Mata.